Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be covering the momentum reversal strategy. I'll show you an example for a buy, and I'll show you an example for a sell. So for this strategy here are the requirements for a buy entry. First, you want to identify a bullish trend using the pivots and or the trend meter. So looking at price right here, you can see that price is above the pivots and the trend meter is green. This is going to indicate that we are in a bullish trend. So knowing that you're in a bullish trend, that's going to confirm step one. For step two, you want to confirm that there is a pending buy momentum signal coming after the current momentum. So right here, we currently have a sell momentum signal. The next momentum signal has to be a buy because it goes from sell, buy, etc. So since we currently have a sell momentum right here, the next signal has to be a buy signal. With that confirmed, you have confirmed step two. So again, step one, you confirmed a bullish trend. Step two, you confirmed a bullish momentum, which is pending. Step three, you want to identify an inside candle. An inside candle is a candle that is completely within the previous candle. So you can see over here, we have this candle. It's currently within this previous candle, right? Reason to confirm that is you can put a line here, which is the high of this previous candle, and put a line here, which is the low of the previous candle. And you can see this candle is within it. So this is considered an inside candle. If the candle is outside of this, it would be considered an outside candle. So this green candle right here, you can see this red one following it is outside, right? And you can see that because if you put the lines here as well for this specific candle, you can see that this candle breaks outside of that range. So with that said, this is an outside candle, and this is considered an inside candle since it's within the previous candle before it. So confirming that right there, that's going to be step three. Again, we'll go over step one. Step one, we're in a bullish trend. Step two, we have a pending momentum. Step three, we have an inside candle right here. Once you have steps 1 through 3 confirmed, you can go to step 4. For step 4, you want to set a pending buy limit at the high of the inside candle. So as soon as this candle here closes, you're going to place a buy limit at the high of this candle because you're looking for a buy. So with that said, I drew a line right there so you can see the price point a little bit better. And you can see right here, it's at 43,096. So I'm going to go ahead and put a pending buy order right here. You're going to set your TP stop loss to 60 points TP, 30 point stop loss. That is a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So in this situation, if you lose the trade, you lose 30 points. If you win the trade, you get 60 points. For me personally, when I'm taking this trade, I have my stop loss moved in profit with a trailing stop at the 30 point mark. So as soon as price pushes to this 30 points, I automatically guarantee profits, but I can also aim for the 60 points. You guys can just go for the full TP, or you can have a trailing stop at the 30, or you can have it even tighter at the 10. Just depends on what you're feeling for this specific trade. But typically, you want to set it to a 60 TP, 30 stop loss. And if you want to follow what I'm doing, my trailing stop is at the 30 point mark. So it's guaranteed at a 1 to 1, but I'm going to aim for a 1 to 2. One note that you want to keep in mind is that if there is no upper wick here, you're going to skip the trade. You only want to take this trade if the inside candle has an upper wick. So now that you have the example set up here, we'll go over the requirements one more time. Step 1, identify a bullish trend. Price is above the pivots. Trend meter is green. Step 2, confirm a pending buy momentum signal. Right here we have a sell signal. Next signal is going to be a buy, so that's pending. Step 3, identify an inside candle. We have an inside candle right here. Step 4, set a pending buy limit at the high of the inside candle, which is going to be above here. Step 5, TP set to 60, 30 with a trailing stop at 10 or 30. It kind of just depends on what you want. And once you have it set up right here, you let the trade run. The trade gets filled right here on the second candle. Price pushes up a bit higher. And eventually hits TP right there for 60 points. So in this situation, I would have probably gotten stopped out at 30 points. You can see how price pushed up right here. It pulled right back. I would have gotten stopped out at the 1 to 1. But if you went for the full move, 60 points would have been hit right there. So there goes an example of a buy entry for the momentum reversal. Let's go over to a sell example. So here's a sell example, same requirements. So same thing, you want to confirm the trend first. So for a sell, identify a bearish trend using the pivots and or trend meter. You can see here that price is below the pivots, trend meter is red, pivots are angling down. This indicates that price is in a bearish trend. Once you confirm step 1, go to step 2. Confirm there's a pending signal for a sell momentum. We have a buy momentum here, so the next signal has to be a sell. Once you confirm that, step 3, identify an inside candle. Again, right here, here's an inside candle. This red candle is within this previous candle right here. I'll draw lines here to confirm it. There goes the inside candle for this red candle right here. Step 4, you want to set a pending sell limit. So instead of putting a buy limit, you're going to put a sell limit because this is for a sell this time. Again, you're going to put it at this lower point right here. So it's going to be right here at 42,974. Smooths down a little bit. Put that right there. Now, again, if you want to take this trade for 60 points, feel free to take it for 60 points. If you want to set your trailing stop to 30 points, which is what I do, you can set a trailing stop right there. But again, the full move is going to be 60 points here. Once you have all that set up, you can let the trade run. We're going to let this run for a sell. It fills it right there on that second candle. Price comes down lower, drops down further, drops down further from there. Looks like we get past the trailing stop, which is at the 30 mark. And there you go, full TP. So for this example here, it looks like I would have hit the full 60 points instead of the 30 because you can see price came below the 30 and it just kept dropping. So what happened at this point is my trade would have filled right here. When it got to 30 points, my stop loss would have gotten moved in profit and I would have guaranteed 1-to-1 30 points where I could have aimed for 60. So right here, it would have never pulled back and I've gotten a full 60 points on this trade. So there goes an example of the momentum reversal for a buy and a sell. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video.